If you're struggling with chronic ongoing health issues, chronic illness, you're bouncing from doctor to doctor, you got vertigo, you got autoimmune, all these things that keep popping up and you can't really get to the root cause, these are the top foods you're going to want to avoid that I have seen for several years in my integrative health practice and working with clients that trigger chronic low-grade inflammation, ongoing nervous system dysregulation, and a chronic immune activation. So I've been in the health and wellness space for over 17 years, and the thing that has always got people on the right track, healing and feeling better no matter what they're dealing with, is when we fix their nutrition. So making sure they are properly fueled, protein, carbs, and fats, none of this low carb, keto, carnivore nonsense. They're also removing the food sensitivities and food triggers, which I'm going to talk about shortly what those are. We fix their gut and we fix their nervous system. This is before we ever even do any kind of specific protocols. We start with those main things, and the main hidden food triggers are going to be dairy, eggs, nuts, soy, gluten. You then have some other ones in there like shellfish and specific allergies, but I can almost guarantee if you are dealing with some sort of chronic mysterious health issue, mold toxicity, or chronic illness, you are probably consuming eggs, dairy, nuts, soy, gluten, or you are under fueling in protein and carbohydrates because you've been doing juice cleanses, because you've been following carnivore and keto, because everybody says it's the latest and greatest thing when really your body runs on carbohydrates, good carbohydrates, not processed foods. And you probably have some gut inflammation going on. If you fix those things, you're going to automatically start feeling a lot better. If you are dealing with any of those issues, autoimmune has a direct correlation with gluten, but then people who are dealing with EBV reactivation, mold toxicity, eggs, every single one of them. Well, I get my protein in the morning because I'm eating eggs. Eliminate the eggs. If you've got vertigo, brain fog, dizziness, histamine intolerance, blood pressure swings, weird gut stuff, sulfur kind of smelly gas going on, get the eggs out of your diet, get the dairy out of your diet, and more than likely, you're probably going to start feeling a lot better. If you want to work with me at all, I have all the resources in the description of this video on how you can start getting to the root cause of what's driving your symptoms and get your strength, energy, and active life back.